In this video, you will learn how to sum range of values in Excel. Welcome to Tech, a place where I show you your roadmap to tech excellence. My name is Joseph. Let's begin. I have this demo data set here to practicalize what we want to learn today. I have all these students. We have 10 students in total. We have their test score for test 1, test 2, and the exam. Then we need to calculate the total in order to determine if any of the students fail or pass the exam all in total. So now the first way we can sum values in Excel is to use AutoSum. All we need to do is to select the range of values here. We are going to select everything, then go to AutoSum, then we are going to see everything will be summed automatically. Then once it has been summed, to get all other values, all you need to do is to drag your mouse on this fill handle. Can you see your cursor has changed? Drag it down and it will automatically fill the rest for you. That's how it works. Can you see it has been summed up? Then to continue with this other area, let's do the same thing. Now to sum this area, select this range of values, then go to AutoSum. Click on AutoSum, then it will sum it for you. Can you see? This is how it works. To get all other area, click on it, then your cursor will change. Drag it to get the sum of other values. So that is how you can use AutoSum to sum your range of values in Excel. Another way to sum your range of values in Excel is to use equal to sum, open parenthesis, then you are going to input your range of values there. That is, now we want to sum this range from B3 to D3. That is where our range of value falls into. So we are going to type in here B3 up to D3. B3, then you are going to type in colon, which means to, in Excel, D3. Now that's how you can get the range of value. As you can see, it has select all the ranges that I wanted to sum. Then click on enter, you get your value exactly. Can you see that this is the same as the previous way we sum it using AutoSum? Then to get all other values, click on it until you have this cursor that has changed to fill handle. Once it has changed, drag it down, then you get all other values. That is how it works. To continue with this area as well, type equal to sum, open and close parenthesis, then type in the range, which is B3 to, using colon, which means to, in Excel, to B12. So that's how it works. Then enter. You are going to get the value perfectly. Once you get it, then click on this fill handle to drag it to this area. You get the sum altogether. Another way to sum up range of values in Excel is using Alt equals to. Now let's select this range of value that I wanted to sum. Press Alt equals to. You are going to get the value. Can you see it has summed it for us? To get the remaining ones, click on this fill handle and drag it downward to get it. That's how it works. Also, to get this section, click on this range of values, then press Alt equals to. You get the answer. That's how it works. Once you get the first one, then use fill handle to fill other areas as well. Then you get the sum of all other values. So those are different ways to sum up your range of values in Microsoft Excel. Let me know which formula you enjoy using or which of the options you enjoy to use in order to sum up your range of values. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be updated. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video.